model. AI has been with us for 150 years. 50 years ago was the first real application of AI, which was the Turing test. From the Turing test, we've now evolved into, in 2008, there was this little device that changed the world. It turned an iPod into a phone, into everything. And we met a beautiful lady called Siri. And Siri was a lady called Susan Bennett, and she was the first functional operator of teaching a language model, Siri, for you. And you've been inputting all this information into Siri. Think about it. Anybody's got an iPhone, Android, Alexa, Google, right? We've been doing this for many, many years. This is not something that we just decided 3 years ago that, oh, now we communicate with AI. We've been communicating with AI since 1985. It already knows. It already understands a lot about us and what we're doing in terms of what's happening. So this is a lot of stuff, overwhelmed. Right, this is where we're going, and it's moving very, very quickly. The one thing, because we're humans, so I want to be human now. Okay, I want to be real. Right, we're humans. Right, the one thing that AI will not change are your own personal values and preferences. Right, you can be influenced by these things, but you have your desires. The things that are important to you, the things that you value, the things that are supportive of the things that you believe in, that are supportive of your own intellectual and physical health as a human being, right? AI is not going to take that away. It's really not. It's actually quite not that smart yet. It might change in the future. Hopefully never.
Hopefully it frees you up to be a little more human.
Yeah, it does.
I mean, if you think about it, that's real. Hopefully it frees you up to be a little more human. The fact that when we launched last night, I had my grandbaby there, and I was literally gaga goo goo trying to get him to say grandma the whole time. And I vibe coded via voice the entire website. A girlfriend of mine, a business partner and colleague, Stephanie, had asked me to build a website for a company called Box for the Trades, one of our other businesses she owns. And I was like, I got my grandbaby. And then I was like, oh, I'll just talk to it. So I literally spoke to the AI the entire time as I was gaga, goo goo, playing, trying to get him to talk and laugh, and built the entire website via voice. So don't think about AI as too scary. There are some scary things. Those are financial, government, war. Those things are definitely concerns. However, as a human, I do believe that all of these technology devices are going to give us the ability to think about how we interact with each other differently, how we provide service differently, free us up to do the things that actually matter, that we care about, make people feel different, right? Automate the junk, get it out of your way.